I hear him. Hello? Hey, buddy. Ate the radio. I got the dog in the creek. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get down there. I'm at 1014 Rhine Road. I think it's right tree care. I'll update you more, see if I can climb this fence. Stand by, he's stuck. Fire can't hurt, I guess. Hey, buddy. Dog's okay though, just stuck on a branch. I believe it's 1014 Rhine. It's a tree removal company. Hello? Come on, buddy. Hello? Hi! Hi, mamas! Hello! Hi! Are you okay? Are you alright? Back here, Troy! Walk to the fence! Hi, babies. He's right here, but yeah, he's perched up on a log right now. I don't know if he's gonna bite, but you don't have a dog leash, do you? No. Okay. Hi, Bubba's. Hi. What's that? Yeah, I'm right in front of him. Hi. Hello. Hello. It's okay. I gotcha. Yeah, I got him. I just don't know how we're gonna get over there. I gotcha. Up to my waist. Hi. Okay.
What did you do? You came through the water?
It was a little further that way, and I slipped off, and
you could get him.
It's about 4 feet deep.
Just, grab him by his harness. We just got to figure a way to get him out of the water.
You all right? All right.
What? No.
Yeah. Come on, buddy. He's holding on for dear life.
Can you get him to me?
Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Hi. Yeah, we got her.
Come down here and give me your hand.
Real slick.
There's no ropes or anything?
Hi. It's okay.
Hang on. Get a grip.
It's okay, we got you. Come on. This way. Oh, it's got a leash. I got a leash on here. Yep.
Come to me and then
Yeah.
pick him up.
Okay.
You're gonna go right in the water.
I know.
Here, I'll go down here. A little bit further. Can you?
Nah.
Here, try to swing him. Swing him. Swing him.
Grab me, grab me. Nice. Can you pull me over like that?